In this video I will show you how to use the Expert Advisor export settings, and you can access these settings from the control panel here by clicking on control panel and selecting the Expert Advisor page. You have here two buttons, this text area here and some settings below. First, the buttons. The Find Empty for Terminals button will add the empty for terminals that Forex Strategy Builder Professional can find on your machine. So for example, let me delete those here. And I click the button and voila. Forex Strategy Builder has found the terminals. You can also add a destination folder, another folder to add terminals here. For example, you can select a folder where you want to save your expert advisors each time you export them to MetaTrader 4, or you can select another terminal of MetaTrader. So for example, I'll select my desktop just to spare some time here. And okay, now I will explain these settings here. You can read here actions when the export advisor exists. So for example, I will create a new strategy here and I will save it as a file. Let me save it here. My strategy. This is fine. And each time I click here on this button, this will export my strategy as an MQL file to the MetaTrader terminals on my computer. I will now click here and you can see this message here because it's still in beta, but probably when you watch this video it might be already stable. So yeah, I'll just close this message. And the next step after I exported my strategy to MetaTrader is to open MetaTrader and look for the strategy. But you will notice that MetaTrader does not automatically refresh the list, so I need to do this manually. I'll click on refresh and here you can see my strategy. I will start a new chart and I will add the my strategy here. Let me drag it. Okay. And here it is important that you have allowed live trading. And you see the strategy started on the chart. And that's pretty much it. Now I will explain replace the existing file with a new one. Basically, when you go to the strategy and export again, this will delete the old file from MetaTrader and you need to add it again. But if you select add suffix to the new file name, you see here we have, let me refresh again, we have only my strategy. But if you select add a suffix and export again, it will look in the directory and it will see that the strategy, there is already a strategy with my strategy name. So if we refresh here, we will see that it added the new strategy, and you can of course drag it and replace it. And that's it about these settings. Thank you for watching.